Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Hand Cream is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of children's skincare. Finding the perfect hand cream for your little ones can be tricky, balancing gentle formulas with effective moisturization to protect their delicate skin from dryness and irritation caused by frequent handwashing and environmental factors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of kids' hand creams to help you choose the best one for your child, considering factors like ingredients, texture, scent, and ease of application. Number 5. Aloe Organics Healing Ointment. This is a gentle, natural moisturizer made for sensitive skin. It's perfect for soothing baby eczema, cradle cap, and other rashes. It's been approved by the National Eczema Association, dermatologist tested, and pediatrician recommended. You can trust it for your little one. Made with 100% natural ingredients, it provides immediate soothing relief and helps promote long-term skin health. See real results for dry, irritated skin. This super balm is great for all ages. It's effective on eczema, cradle cap, minor wounds, rashes, and hives. It truly is a do-it-all balm. It's formulated to not only address itchiness, redness, and irritation, but also to support overall skin health. Give your baby a good night's sleep and healthy skin for life. It's made with sustainably sourced and ethically harvested ingredients. It's free of perfumes, chemicals, parabens, dyes, and fillers, making it as safe as it is effective. What we like? It's USDA certified organic and made with natural ingredients. If your little one suffers from eczema, cradle cap, or other skin irritations, this is a great option for soothing relief and long-term skin health. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin, making it a top choice for parents seeking natural solutions for their baby's skin problems. What people say. I've used it on my babies as diaper rash ointment, for cradle cap, as lip balm, and even just as a really rich nighttime moisturizer. It was the only thing that worked on getting rid of the dry patches on my baby's skin. Literally overnight her skin is smooth. This product has not caused any discomfort for her and she is on her third bottle. Number 4. Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. This fragrance-free hand cream is specially designed to help repair dry, rough skin. It's fast-absorbing and non-greasy, leaving your hands feeling smoother. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. You'll notice smoother hands after just one application. This cream is enriched with buffered alpha-hydroxy, ceramide, 3, and natural moisturizing factors to help restore your skin's natural moisture barrier. The travel-sized tube is ideal for keeping in your purse or bag, so you can moisturize your hands anytime, anywhere. This pack includes 3 2.7-ounce tubes of Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream, providing long-lasting relief for dry hands. Experience the difference with Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. It's the perfect solution for dry, rough skin, leaving your hands soft and healthy. What we like? This fragrance-free hand cream absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. If you're looking for effective relief from dry, rough hands without the added scent, this is a practical and effective choice. The travel size is perfect for keeping in your bag or purse for on-the-go hydration. What people say. This is a really good hand cream to use during the winter months. It is good to prevent drying and cracking skin, and a little seems to go a long way. It is fragrance-free. This is the best hand cream for dry hands. It doesn't leave a greasy feeling on your hands. It's very smooth going on and has little to no scent. The extra bottles are great. This cream helps me keep my hands soft, with no smell. The consistency is good. Number 3. Aveeno Intense Moisture Hand Cream. Introducing Aveeno Intense Moisture Hand Cream. It's formulated with soothing oat to lock in moisture for 24 hours, even after washing your hands. This rich cream helps heal dry skin and creates a protective barrier. It's clinically proven to soothe very dry skin and provide all-day comfort. Experience intense hydration that lasts. It absorbs quickly and leaves your hands feeling soft and smooth, without any greasy residue. Perfect for sensitive skin, it's allergy-tested and free of fragrances, parabens, and dyes. It's gentle enough for everyday use. From a dermatologist-recommended brand, this hand cream combines the goodness of nature with the power of science. It's the perfect solution for dry, sensitive hands. Apply it as needed to dry hands to help soothe and moisturize. Discover the Aveeno difference and experience healthy, balanced skin. What we like. It's formulated with soothing prebiotic oat and provides long-lasting hydration. If you have sensitive skin and need a hand cream that will moisturize your hands all day and night, this is the one for you. It's allergy-tested and free of fragrances, parabens, and dyes, making it a safe and gentle option for even the most sensitive skin. What people say. It pretty much the same texture as normal Aveeno lotion, maybe a little more tacky, but absorbs quickly and coats hands, leaving them feeling instantly smoother, softer, and moisturized. It really does last through hand washing too, just as it claims. The formula is rich and nourishing without feeling greasy, sinking into the skin almost instantly. The intense moisturization lasts for hours, providing relief to even the driest areas. It absorbs well. Number 2. Miracle Aloe Hand Cream. This cream is specially formulated with 60% pure aloe vera gel to give your hands the ultimate moisturizing experience. It's fast absorbing and leaves no greasy residue, so you can use it anytime. It deeply penetrates to soften and revitalize dry, cracked, and flaking skin. It promotes healthy skin and provides intense rejuvenation for your hands. Unlike other hand creams, it's non-greasy and lightly scented. It leaves your hands feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. This intensive solution is perfect for treating rough patches on your knees and elbows, or any other dry skin areas. It's your ideal companion for optimal crack therapy. For best results, apply it after washing your hands, bathing, or at night before bed. This helps nourish and revitalize dehydrated skin. It comes in various sizes, including travel sizes, so you can always have moisturizing relief on hand. Say goodbye to chapped hands, wherever you go. What we like. This cream is packed with 60% aloe vera gel for intense moisturization. If you're looking for a fast-absorbing, non-greasy hand cream that provides deep hydration and relief for dry, cracked hands, this is an excellent choice. It's also great for dry patches on knees and elbows. What people say. It is absorbed very well. Any surface excess can be wiped off. But the moisture remains deep down. Hands can later be washed, but the internal moisture remains. It soaks in, doesn't burn, has a mild aloe scent, and moisturizers even through a couple hand washings. It softens and protects dry, or cracked skin without an oily feeling. The cream absorbs into the skin beautifully. Number 1. Body and Earth Hand Cream Gift Set. This luxurious gift set is perfect for anyone who appreciates soft, healthy hands. It's enriched with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and argan oil for deep hydration. It's formulated with organic shea butter, argan oil, and other natural ingredients. These soften your skin's surface and deeply moisturize without feeling greasy. Choose from 3 delightful scents: shea butter, pink sugar, and vanilla. Each fragrance is fresh and uplifting, leaving your hands feeling and smelling amazing. These creams are perfect for dry, cracked hands. They're gentle, soothing, and suitable for all skin types. The travel-sized tubes are ideal for keeping one at home, in your car, or at the office. They're also perfect for slipping into your purse or bag. This carefully crafted gift set makes a wonderful present for yourself, family, or friends. Give the gift of soft, happy hands this holiday season. What we like. This luxurious hand cream is enriched with shea butter and argan oil, leaving your hands feeling soft and silky. If you enjoy delightful fragrances and want a travel-sized option for on-the-go pampering, this is a perfect choice. The set includes 3 different scents, making it a great gift for yourself or others. What people say. The hand cream itself is very moisturizing without being overly greasy. It absorbs well into my skin and doesn't leave a sticky residue like some lotions do. They keep my hands moisturized. Packaged to give each lotion individually. Will make great gifts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.